Hi, I'm Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. How would you rate your pain from 1 to 10? We are unboxing our Superstar Crash Pad. We ordered 3 months worth of stock and sold out in 20 days. You guys are incredible. You all went nuts for these and we did not anticipate that. I was able to make a couple of phone calls to the warehouse guys, see what stock that we did have that I could potentially pinch to show an official unboxing of the experience you guys get when it arrives to your doorstep. I'm going to show you how it inflates and some of our cool covers that I was able to snag so you can see it firsthand and show you how we compare them if you decide to get two. It arrives to your doorstep, the packaging that's going to be coming in. A nice little compact design on the inside. You have your Superstar. And inside the box, what you'll find is instead of a care card, you will find the instructions in how to inflate and how to care for your Superstar and a little love note from us. For the good part, your Superstar is 100% recycled foam. Now, when it comes to unboxing, you're gonna need some scissors. Cut these bad boys off, remove the layers. Cover comes inside the box with your Superstar. Now, I'm still not really comprehending how you can get something so big and compact it into something so small. You guys will be so surprised at how big this Superstar Crash Pad is. Now, for the magic, you need to cut this open, and this is where the vacuum seal comes into play. This is what it looks like. It's all vacuum sealed in here, which it does kind of look like a brain. Let's get ready to rumble. Should we do some ASMR? It's rising. He's alive. This is really fun. Now, lay it flat, shake it out. It's like I'm growing my own child. Aww. It's like a little marshmallow, like the Michelin Man's sister. Oh, cute, like Baymax. Hi. Hi, I'm Baymax, your personal healthcare companion. How would you rate your pain from 1 to 10? Are you satisfied with your care?
No.
Instructions say to wait 48 hours for it to fully inflate, but as you can see in real time, it inflates pretty quickly. But to get that extra plump and fluff, wait 48 hours. Now, whilst we let her inflate, push her aside, leave her alone. I was able to collect multiple of our covers. We'll start with Calypso, super vibrant. Whilst it's still inflating, you can place the cover on so then it can inflate inside the cover. We have made it super easy for you guys to place on as we've created a wide zip to open up and just place and slot. And this is Calypso. Lucky Star, butter yellow, baby yellow stripes. Blue, bluey, baby blue and navy blue stripe. Bingo-ish, sky blue and a vibrant orange stripe, and in between is baby yellow lines. And here is Bingo-ish. She's so cute. Lucky last we have is Totally Rad. We have sold out of our Snickers and honey. However, they're amazing, and when they come back in stock, I will be doing another video for you guys. Similar to Bingo-ish, the color palette, the style is different. So stripes are thinner. Baby yellow is a thicker stripe, sky blue medium stripe, and then in between hugging them is our orange in a thin stripe. If you wanted something a bit more neutral, this is a great option for you if you Totally Rad. How cute. Beautiful. As mentioned, these are sold out, but considering you guys love them so much and have been asking me in the DMs and the comments when we'll be restocking, we have opened up pre-orders now, which is live on our website. For any more color combo videos or even styling videos, or if there's something else you would like to see, drop it in the comments below. Happy shopping!